Welcome back to 20 Car. There are automobiles, and then there are legends sculpted in metal and light. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Limousine concept is not merely a car, it is a rolling sonnet, a celestial chariot that bridges past opulence with the futurism of an electrified dawn. Draped in a deep obsidian gloss, its elongated silhouette stretches like the arc of a shooting star, tracing the lineage of grand tourers with a whisper of moonlit nostalgia. Every contour, every facet, speaks in hushed, aristocratic tones. The elongated hood, a stage for the emblem's sovereign gleam. The seamless integration of digital grills, shimmering like constellations in a cosmic ballet. Step inside, and the world outside dissolves into irrelevance. The Mythos Limousine is an amphitheater of tailored indulgence, where silk-threaded leather embraces sculpted recliners, and a panoramic OLED command interface orchestrates symphonies of connectivity. The ambient lighting, intelligent and adaptive, mimics the golden hour of a Parisian boulevard, while the rear cabin, a sanctuary of seclusion, unfurls into a first-class suite on wheels, cocooning its passengers in an atmosphere of hushed reverence. Beneath the elegance lies formidable engineering. The electrified V12 powertrain surges forth with an effortless 850 horsepower, launching this grand tourer from 0 to 100 km height in a mere 3.5 seconds. Its active air suspension and AI-driven ride calibration transmute the road into silk, while the whisper-quiet electric drive mode ensures an ethereal glide through the cityscape. The Rolls-Royce Spectre and Bentley Bacalar stand as its principal adversaries, but the Mythos Limousine transcends mere competition. It exists in a realm of its own. A bespoke symphony tailored for connoisseurs of grandeur and discretion. Pricing remains cloaked in exclusivity, but ownership entails a privileged voyage into Mercedes-Maybach's rarefied echelon, where concierge services, bespoke customization, and meticulous craftsmanship redefine automotive luxury.